Hey, it's another busy day on the job site. Oh, we've got a lot of things going on today. I'm driving my forklift. We've got cement being poured. There's a cement truck. We got a bunch of guys over here that got the concrete pump truck over there. They're pumping concrete into the stairwells. We got our other forklift moving around. He's moving brick. Got a lot of things going on today. Well, let's take a ride. I've got a big delivery of trusses today. Gotta look both ways. All right. We got a big delivery today. See all these trucks? There's a concrete pump truck. Super tall. See how they get concrete pumped all the way up to the top of that stairwell. The stairwell, and there's our crane over there. We're lifting material all the time. That's a big 90-ton crane right there. Uh-oh. Carlos is in the way. Move out of the way, Carlos. Now he's got to move that plywood right there. He has to be very careful. Careful for that car. All right, off we go. Good job, Rodrigo. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Follow Carlos down the street. All right, we're here at our destination. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye.